Hello guys, today we will be discussing about salts. So see, salts are a part of ICSE syllabus in every year almost. This time in reduced syllabus of 2021, some part of salts has been cut down. Still then, we are not sure about what the exact syllabus is and what exactly we have to study. However, you need not study everything. I'll just let you know how much you have to study in all these types of salts. But we are going to study this whole part. After that, we are going to know how much part is our syllabus. So let us start. So these are the salt classification directly written on the board, so you need not worry about it, you can just copy it. Okay, so let us now go about it. What is normal salt? First of all, for this kind of questions you have to know what is the example. If you know what is the example, then automatically you will be able to answer whatever else is asked from it. Suppose a normal salt is nothing but Na2SO4. I am just giving an example of normal salt, Na2SO4. Okay, let's go for acid salt. Acid salt is NaHSO4. Okay, so what is the difference between these two? If we see here, the positive part is Na and negative part is SO4. Here the positive part is Na and hydrogen and the negative part is SO4. So here in this case the acid salt has replaceable hydrogen atoms. What does this mean? That means that this hydrogen can still be replaced by another atom of sodium. Okay? So if it is an acid salt, it means it can give away one hydrogen ion when you put this in water. So if you put this in water, you make a aqueous solution of this salt, it will give you Na plus, it will give you H plus, and it will give you SO4 2 minus. So it can give you a H plus ion when you put it in water. So that is why if somebody gives you H plus ion when you put it in water, simply it should be an acid, and that is why it is called acid salt. When you put this one into water, definitely it will give you Na plus and SO4 2 minus. It is not going to give any hydrogen ion from its own, right? It is not going to give any hydrogen ion from its own. So this is a normal salt. This does not have any acidic property. Later on you will learn, if you put it in water, it may act as an acid also, but not in this case, not in this salt specifically. But in this one, definitely from this salt itself, one hydrogen ion is given out. So what is the difference between normal salt and acid salt? In case of acid salt, it have a hydrogen ion which can be given out if you put it in water. This normal salt does not have any hydrogen ion. Okay. Now what is basic salt? We very well know that acid salt will give you H plus ion. So what should basic salt give me? It should give me OH minus ions, right? OH minus ions. So to give OH minus ions, definitely this salt has to have OH in it. So Pb OH Cl. See, lead has a valency of 2 or 4. So in this time we are taking lead as a valency of 2. So if the valency is 2, one Cl atom can satisfy one of its valency, right? That is Cl minus. Another part of its valency will be satisfied by this OH. You put this in water, it will give you OH minus ion. So definitely it will be a basic salt. Okay. Up to this only basically you have to study for your examination point of view. Other than that, you have to, these are the three parts which has been recently deleted from the syllabus. However, you can just have a look at it. If you don't like to remember that, just don't remember it. But if you can just have the look at this video, I don't think that will take more than 5 minutes of your very precious time before the examination. Mixed salt is nothing. What is mixed salt? Mixed salt means it has either 2 cations or 2 anions. Yeah? Either 2 cations or 2 anions. So let us just think that what is it. Let's go for 2 cations. So Na and K. So these are 2 positive cations. So there is Na will give 1 plus and K will give another plus. So there is 2 plus. So I have to give 2 minus to make this salt neutral. So CO3. CO3 has valency of 2, carbonate radical. So this is a mixed salt because this has 2 cations, Na plus and K plus. Okay. Now let us go for 2 anions. Calcium Calcium has a valency of 2 plus. Okay, basically it will give you 2 electrons. So who is going to accept this 2 electron? Let us first take OCl minus ion. So OCl is basically hypochlorite. It is going to accept 1 electron. Another anion is chlorine. It is going to accept another electron. So this is having 2 anions. This is having 2 cations. Simple. Double salts. Okay, going a little bit faster. I hope this is clear. 2 cations, 2 anions. Very simple. 2 cations, 2 anions. What is the type of the salt? Mixed salt. Now let us go for double salts. Double salt means 2 salts. Double salt, 2 salts. CaCO3 dot MgCO3. This is a double salt. Okay, simple. Next your K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 whole thrice dot 24H2O. So we can see 2 different salts are together over here. This is nothing but potash alum, the fitkari that we use after shaving. Nowadays it is getting obsolete almost, but it's a good thing actually. Okay, so this is nothing, potash alum. Okay, this is potash alum. Next is complex salt. Complex salt means either the cation or the anion of this kind of salts will be complex. So it will not be simple. Basically at this moment and in class 10 you are not supposed to know what is complex radicals, but it is going to be simple. So let us keep it simple. You have learnt about this compound, right? You have learnt about this compound in analytical chemistry. So forth. So this is a complex salt because this has a complex cation. This is not a normal cation, right? You are not supposed to know about complex radicals at this stage. So I am making it simple. This is a normal, this is not a normal cation, this is a complex cation. Normal cation would have been K plus, Cu2 plus, but this is a complex cation surely. To give you another example of complex anion, K4 FeCN6. So see, here is the cation and here is the anion. So this anion is very complex, right? Ferrocyanide anion. So this is complex. Okay. So this is another example of complex salt. So complex salt means complex anion, complex cation. Let us revise. Complex salt means complex anion, complex cation. We will go for the double salts, 2 salts, mixed salts, 2 anions or 2 cations. Going above, acid salt is known to you. H plus, basic salt, OH minus, and normal salt, no H plus, no OH minus, nothing complex, no double and nothing mixed altogether. Thank you. I think this will help you to remember all these types of salts. Thank you.